Here's how you can download and install Football Manager on your PC or Mac. First, you'll need Steam. Open your browser and head to store.steampowered.com. At the top right, click Install Steam. That'll download the installer file. Once it's done, run it and follow the steps to install Steam on your computer. When it's installed, launch Steam and either log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Now that you're in Steam, go to the Store tab. It's up in the top left corner. In the search bar, type Football Manager. If you're looking for the latest one, like Football Manager, that should be one of the top results. Here you can try it for free before buying by clicking on Download button, or you can buy it right now, then hit the green Add to Cart button. From there, choose Purchase for myself and follow the payment process using a card, PayPal, or whatever option works for you. After your purchase is complete, go to your Library tab. You'll see Football Manager listed there. Click it, then press the Install button. You can either pick a specific folder or just go with the default install location. Click Next and Steam will take care of the download and installation. Once the game finishes installing, just click Play right from your library. Football Manager will launch, and you'll be able to log in. If the game asks, tweak your settings, and jump into your first save. Let me know if you run into any setup issues or want tips once you're in the game.